This video is brought to you by this man, and would not have been possible without him. A 6-year-old once told me, the word can't is temporary. That you have to understand why you can't, and either change what's in your control or wait out what isn't to eventually reach your goal. Alright guys, so this is where we got turned around last time. And once you've made it, you keep pushing. This is a story about redemption and beyond. Nice and dry now, we're gonna finish this trip. Let's do it! We kicked off this trip right by running into this convoy of nicely built Jeeps. You gotta throw a Jeep badge on that QX4.
I was just thinking that.
So, Lost Boy just got a new wind, and it was also spooled, but we're gonna spool it with tension, so that the same thing that happened to me doesn't happen to him. Alright guys, so this is where we got turned around last time. This tree was across the road, and somebody has chopped it, moved the pieces over, and we're able to get by now. Also, how long it took us to get here, it was a very long time. And now that the road is clear, like we were here in 15 minutes, which is hilarious. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Looks like we picked a good day to come up. Back to the Cornwall Fire Lookout. This time with Carrie, who we were with the first time we did not make it here.
Oh shoot.
Oh wow.
What a view.
It is. It's beautiful.
What a view. We made it.
We had some victory burgers and moved on. You ever get the feeling you're forgetting something? This time, I'm not joking. Alright guys, so we just got down from Cornwall, and this guy on a dirt bike's following us, comes right up to my window and says, "You forgot something." What was it?
Your drone.
My drone. I can't believe it. I left it up there. He wasn't sure if it was mine. He made me unlock my phone before he gave it to me. But Murray, thank you very much.
No problem.
Really appreciate it.
Glad I caught you guys.
It's awesome. Enjoy the rest of your trip.
You too.
We meet so many great people out on these trails. On this day, in addition to meeting Murray, we met the Sea to Sky Dual Sport Riding Group and had a chat about local trails. We got our redemption, but weren't satisfied. There was another lake nearby that looked like a challenge to get to, and a great spot to camp. So, we had a new plan. Mud pit, big mud pit. We'll go one at a time and then hopefully nobody gets stuck.
Screw that up for carry there. Not a problem. Hey.
Through the thick forest and the muddy, rainy terrain, we came out of the forest to a meadow, and we knew the lake was nearby. All right, so we did make it to the lake, as you saw, but there was no fire pit, and it didn't look like very many people were there at all, so we didn't stay there. We decided to keep heading down the road and try to find another lake. As we were doing that, it started pouring rain. The roads got super slick, so we found a fire pit. We're gonna get warm, we're gonna get dry, and probably spend the night here. Carrie is cooking.
So
It looks delicious. It smells so good.
24-hour marinade with the balsamic olive oil, brown sugar on the pork sirloin, and then thick cut bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon, as Sean would say. So let's see. Time will tell. It's going to be a while.
Nice.
Low and slow.
Low and slow.
Falling apart. No. Don't fall apart.
Give her the beans! What the hell? I have no idea.
Because you're cutting across a knot.
Going all the way over there.
Have you landed the drone on top? No.
All right, so we woke up to this beautiful place, had a quick breakfast. We're gonna hit the road going that way. We came from over there, but it's nice and dry now. We're gonna finish this trip. Let's do it. We once again didn't know where this road would take us. But what we did know was that we were on the wrong side of the river, and we had to get to the other side. The map showed that there was a bridge, and if it was there, we would be home free. If not, we would have to come back. Assuming we could even get there. So we're heading down the highway and bumped into a subscriber, John.
Hey guys.
John's been watching the story till now and then saw us on there and inspired him to move out here from where? From Ontario.
Yeah, Ontario. It's a little bit different out here. Slightly nicer.
So cool. We made it. We made it to the tower, to the lake, to the mountainside campsite, and finally to the bridge. We made it. What's up everybody? I waited to the end of the video to ask you guys to subscribe because I want to make sure that it's the right subscribers that we have here. If that's you, you made it to the end of the video, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Our new goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. If you are a subscriber, we noticed on our analytics that a lot of you are not getting the notifications. So if that's you, please do hit that red bell icon so that we can get these videos out to you, to the people that actually want to see it. Merch is available at dirtyanddangerous.com. We've got the Unwinding Roads shirts, as well as the Storytell Now, Con, the Dirty and Dangerous stuff. Lastly, find us on Instagram at unwinding_roads. We just got back from a wild trip at Whipsaw, a pretty famous trail, and we've been posting stuff about that. There's usually a lot of behind the scenes stuff that you may enjoy. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.